is live this evening at a watch party that's been going on. They're waiting some results there, Ansley.
Josh and Sarah, a lot of mixed emotions here in the room at the Carnegie as we are just now starting to get some numbers from Washington County. I'm here with Republican candidate for State House Tim Hicks, who has been anxiously waiting for these numbers to come on all night. Talk to me about what it's been like to be waiting for these results to come in.
It's very frustrating to wait. You know, Sullivan County had their results come in at early voting at 8:05. So it's a lot of folks here waiting, and you know, this is not the first issue that we've seen, so it's pretty frustrating to sit here and go through this. It is.
Obviously, if you win this seat, you would be kind of overseeing some of the election commission and placing some of the people that are on that. What would you hope to change for the future if you are elected?
Yeah, you know, that'll be one of the things that we tackle in March. The 3 representatives from this area, we will get together and we will look at this and set a plan in place. And, you know, that's going to be our job to take care of issues in our county. So I think this will be one of the first things that we try to tackle.
Tim Hicks, thank you so much for joining us for this. And like I said before, Josh and Sarah, the room here is fairly mixed emotions here, a lot of emotions as these numbers are starting to roll in. Several Johnson City Commission candidates as well as Johnson City School Board candidates are here waiting on these numbers to roll in, as well as candidate Hicks here. Josh and Sarah, back to you.
Well, probably one of the reasons that some of the emotions are mixed in that room is because of those Johnson City Commission numbers, which we're going to get to. One last look at the information we have for the Tennessee House District race, and we're not going to linger here, but it's 57-43 Tim Hicks over